So today ay gagawa tayo ng video, no makeup. So let's start. Okay, first make sure that your face is well cleaned and ready for the application of makeup. The first thing that we need to do is to put moisturizer on our face. And I'm using this Aqua Moisturizing Glow made in Korea. This is very good for the face. You can buy this in drugstore or Pure Gold. It's very important to apply moisturizer to hydrate our face before adding anything else, and to prepare ourselves for the applications of the makeup. And then I'm using this BB Holy cream or BB cream, where you can buy this also in drugstore, and it has an niacinamide that will help you to look natural, and it provides the benefit for both skincare and makeup. So I'm using the beige one, and it's very good. This is also made from Korea, and I'm using my brush to blend the cream all over the part of my face. You can use it as a substitute for your foundation. And the next thing is I used this contouring for my eyebrow. And the next thing is I'm using this highlighter stick so that the eyeliner will be more highlighted in a more natural way. And I'm using the brush to blend the highlighter. Since the challenge is no makeup, so we need to choose an eyeshadow which is not eye-catching but looks very natural. So I'm using the brown one, and then later I'm gonna add some more to make it more elegant. So this is the base. Then I'm gonna add some glitters. So this is our final. So it looks very natural.
Addition.